What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. It's time for a shop update since August is pretty much over. So let's get into it. My recent projects have not really involved the lathe a ton, but rather I've been taking these cherry cookie slab things and I've been flattening them. I made this little jig where I have two 2x4s here. I made this little jig here. I just glued and screwed some boards into some wood. I have the groove in the center here. The way it works is you put the jig on your slab, on your rails here. I don't have a battery in my router right now because they're actually over at the charger right now, charging, because this project I've got a ton of these to do, so I've been going through quite a few batteries. But anyway, you put the router in the jig like so, and then once you get the depth you've desired, you turn the router on and move this across the piece, and that flattens it pretty well. This is a 3/4 bit that I have in here, so it takes quite a few passes, but it does the job. So that's what I've been working on mainly. I was originally going to film this build, this jig build, but honestly there's a million of these videos out there, so if you want to see how to build something like this, I know there are a number of content creators out there who have already put a video out on this. If you guys have been following me recently, you will have noticed that I've started turning on a Rikon lathe. I got a brand new lathe. This is a much appreciated upgrade from what I had. What I had, there was nothing wrong with, but I thought since the lathe has become my favorite tool in the shop and the thing that I go to the most, I thought I would upgrade. I did get the Rikon 220 VSR, so it's variable speed and reverse. This lathe is super quiet, it's super nice, it's also got a lot of power, it does everything I need it to do. What's nice is there's a belt system in here, so if I move these bushings, I can open this hood, I can raise this up, and I can select whatever speed range I want based on where I put this belt, and it's super quick and easy to change. So that's a really nice feature. You can see my mandrels on here. The last thing I turned was a pen, but recently I've also gotten involved in turning bowls, and I've learned that that's a new hobby for me that I really enjoy. So look forward to more bowl turning on this channel in the future. For this shop update, we have 3 stickers. We have Neil Yeager, we have Brum's Builds, and we also have Bob Lee's Wood Shop. I did get a Bob Lee's Wood Shop sticker when he had his old stickers. He just redid his logo, so I got one of his new stickers. So thank you everyone who sent stickers. I greatly appreciate it. And that brings us to our shout out for the shop update. My shout out for this shop update goes to John Clothier. He is based in the UK and he does some amazing turning work. Lately he's done some spheres and things like that, and I think he is a top-notch turner. I really enjoy watching his videos. Make sure you go check him out and give him a subscribe. Make sure you do all that fun YouTube stuff. But make sure you check out his channel. Thanks for hanging out with me on this one. This shop update was a quick one. I have also been contemplating reducing the frequency in which I post. For a year plus now, it's been weekly on Thursdays, typically. With school starting back up and all that kind of fun stuff, I do think I'm going to potentially reduce the frequency in which I post. So I don't know if that's going to go to every other week or what that's going to look like. So I'm not quitting, Absolutely not. I'm just going to slow the frequency down a little bit because there are other things that have my attention right now. So the summer was fun. It was fun to do all these projects and hang out in the shop, but you know, it's time to go back to full-time. Yeah, so I'll still get some shop time, but we'll just see how it plays out and go from there. So if you like this video, make sure you comment on the video, make sure you give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. At the time that I'm recording this, I'm just under 15 subscribers away from 500. My unofficial goal for the end of the calendar year for me personally was to get to 1,000. I highly doubt that's going to happen, but if you guys would be so kind to share this video, share with your friends, promote my channel, that would be fantastic. I would greatly appreciate it. If I get to 1,000 by the end of the year, great. If not, we're still having fun putting out videos. So either way, make sure you do all that fun YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time.